What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been about a month. Apologize for the delay and all. Just been a little busy. And almost sold the Squarebody. No bueno. So, a lot of things have been going on. I've been doing a lot of construction in my room here. Other thing, biggest thing, reason why I haven't put out a video in so long, I almost really did get rid of the Squarebody. There was like a 2-week span that I was back and forth with this guy at work about selling it because the whole cab situation. Nobody wanting to call me back. Nobody sticking to their plans, like shop-wise, you know, saying that they're going to come, never come, and then act like, oh, I got too busy. No, sorry. We're not dealing with that. So I got disheartened. But after like being this close to really selling it, like almost got it sold. Find on Marketplace a dude selling a cab. Two-wheel drive cab, but it's a cab. But before we go outside and do all this and that, I'll give you a little look what I've been doing. Just don't mind the mess right now, but I'm completely redoing my whole bedroom. Got a lot of drywall that we took out. Then had to run a new outlet. Let's see here. Let's try this. Let's see something. Oh, won't let me do it. Okay. Put new switches in. Switches. I put new outlets all on new corners and stuff, but I know what you guys really want to see. I'm gonna go show you the car, let you guys see and hear what's going on with that, and then we'll go take a peep at the truck and show you what's all happened to get all done. Let's see what future videos are gonna hold for y'all. So we're in the garage. We got the old Trans Am here. Let's take a look at her. Zoom out a little bit here. Maybe not, but she's a looker, dude. Oh, I can't wait to film this car on the road. You guys don't understand. All right, let's go get Big Girl started. There you go. It's nice. So here she is. She's damn near 100% rust free. One little spot. What? That freaking spot right there, and it literally looked like somebody shot it with a .22 rifle. That is. Now the only bad thing about this truck. Only bad thing, it's a 2-wheel drive cab. So, take a peep. Up there, for 4-wheel drive, is significantly bigger than what it is in that 2-wheel drive. only thing. But let's go ahead and peep around this cab. Right. This is an 86 two-wheel drive C15 cab. Came from Oklahoma. Bought it from a guy about 40 minutes south of me. This thing is clean, but the thing of it is most two-wheel drives are. Like, if you're gonna find a clean cab, clean bed, it's gonna be probably a two-wheel drive. Due to the fact, you know, it's a two-wheel drive. Like I said though, just a little bit of surface rust and stuff. I tapped everything just to make sure, man. And everything is solid all through there. Even the kick panel is good. Like, yeah, it looks a little rough, but it's good. And let me get you guys up here. Rockers are clean AF. Cab corners, clean AF. Inners, clean AF. Super clean, guys. Super clean. Clean, 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 dude. Just all around clean. Mind you, I'm gonna say it again. Surface rust. That's all that is. I do have a little screw hole right there, but guess what? Still solid. No rust around the windshield. All good there. Just got a lot of gunk to clean up through there. So said though, it's clean. The only bad thing is two-wheel drive cab. But we'll get through it. Let me put you guys over here, show you some other goodies. This is about to go. So dual headlight core support. This thing's a little rough, but I couldn't pass it up. Other side. So the mount for inner fender well, little shot, but be okay. I believe so. I'm gonna go venture back in here real quick. And I got the rear wiring harness. Hell of a deal at B&K, guys. If you guys need parts and you guys don't want to spend a shitload of money, go to B&K. I mean, there's gonna be things that he is gonna overcharge for stuff that he doesn't really want to sell. That's just the way it has to be. You know, you don't want to sell something, you got to put a high price on it, so it makes it worth your while, right? But so future videos, it's actually, I'm hoping it'll go pretty quick because I'm not gonna have such a crazy schedule here coming up. I'll start having my consistent days off again. But I got transmission, drive shaft, torsion bar left on this baby. I got just a little bit left on my room upstairs. I mean, it's not a little bit, but the list looks like it's only a little bit to go. And then truck, that's gonna be a while. But there is a big but. There's gonna be a lot of video content because I have to swap everything over from the cab that's on the frame now to the new cab. Glass door, not doors, but glass, rear glass, dash, gauges, steering column, everything. And I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do as far as that four-wheel drive tunnel. I got two options. I can go with a 2-inch body lift, which I totally do not want to do because as you recall, this video or episode 1 or 2, I said like body lifts are just gross and I don't like them. It's just not aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetically is as pleasing as a suspension lift, or however you want to say it. Let's see what else we got to do. Oh, and the other option would be cut the tunnel out of the old cab, the four-wheel drive cab, cut a hole in the 2-wheel drive cab, smaller than what the 4-wheel drive cab got cut, and just set the 4-wheel drive tunnel over that, so it'd be all right. Those are my two options. I still gotta debate all that. And then I gotta put rust preventative over it, and then I gotta primer the cab before I set it on. And then after I get the cab on, we'll be able to get gas tanks on, and when the gas tanks get on, that means we can start seeing if the truck actually runs and drives fine. I've yet to do that. I just know it started, and we know why it wouldn't stay running, because of bad gas tanks and stuff. From there, I think it's going to be pretty clear cut what we're going to be doing after we get the cab on. It's going to be inner fenders, the fenders, core support swap, getting my headlights brought in, finding a bed and or buying all new bed panels, getting my exhaust finished, wheels, tires, lift installed, paint. Like my upstairs project, the list seems short, but we're still so far away. There's a lot to go. Oh, we gotta hook up the rear harness. Oh boy, are we in for a treat. But I'm ready for it. I'm just glad we found a cab. I'm actually really happy that we found a cab, because I did not want to give up on this project. I really didn't. I know most of you guys didn't want me to give up on it either. But hey, we got a cab. Project goes. We're moving forward with it, and we're gonna fucking kill it. Pretty excited, guys. So this will be. So that's all I got for you guys for this week's video. As far as next week goes, don't know if I'll have a video. As I still have a lot of things to do, but I might just do a video of everything I'm doing this next week. Might make a vlog out of it. What else was I trying to let you guys know? Oh, if you guys follow me on social media, for those who don't, it's just Bearded Cyclops on Instagram and Facebook. But for those that do follow, I made a suggestion that I was going to start doing crossover episodes of this Squarebody, and the Squarebody. I think I'm going to keep them separate, just because the idea of, I don't know, I still don't know. Listen to me talk. But who knows? We might get away with doing both, or we might just not do both. But we'll see. But until next time, guys, you guys have a good one, and happy Easter.